Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin nabiyil ummi wa ala alihi wa sallam taslima. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we will study thermodynamic systems. A system is the one which has some boundaries, and interior of some boundary is known as the system and exterior is known as the surrounding. So in thermodynamics we have three types of systems. Number one is open system, number two is closed system, and the third one is isolated system. Now, what is an open system? Open system is the one in which both matter or mass and energy in the form of heat can be exchanged with the surroundings. For example, when we are making tea, then during its making we can see that both energy and matter can be transferred. Energy is transferred in the form of heat. The heat is transferred from the stove to the pot, the tea. This shows you the transfer of energy in the form of heat from the stove to the teapot and the tea itself. Whereas the steam from the tea shows you the transfer of matter, the water which converted into steam and transferred to the surrounding atmosphere. So this gives you the best example of open system. Then there is a closed system. Closed system is the one in which only the transfer of heat or energy is possible, whereas there is no transfer of matter at all. For example, the pressure cooker. When we kept the pressure cooker on the stove, you can see that the energy is transferred in the form of heat from the stove to the interior of the pressure cooker, which increases the pressure inside, and as a result the meat or beef or chicken or whatever we have put in it, it cooked very quickly. But there is no transfer of matter from the pressure cooker to the surroundings.
This is a sample picture. You can see that the heat is transferred from the bottom of the saucepan into the saucepan. As the lid is over there, therefore there is no transfer of matter from the saucepan to the surrounding.
The third one is the isolated system, in which there is no exchange either of matter or of energy. The best example is a thermoflask. When we kept tea or anything which is hot in the thermoflask, you can see that there is no transfer of energy or transfer of matter from the flask. I have a flask in my hand. You can see that this is a flask. No temperature from the interior. Interior is hot, exterior is at room temperature. So no transfer of heat at all from the inside to the outside. Similarly, no transfer of heat or energy from the outside to the inside. As a result, what happened? The tea inside the pot remains as it is at its own temperature. And also there is no transfer of matter, either in the form of gas, solid or liquid. So these are the three thermodynamical systems: the open system, the closed system, and this is the isolated system. Take care. Inshallah we'll meet again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.